In this video, you'll open Meet and learn how to start a new meeting. First, open the Google Apps menu. Find the Google Apps icon on your screen. It's a symbol with 9 small dots located in the top right corner of your screen. Click the icon to open the Google Apps menu, which shows the icons of different Google apps. Click on the gray bar, which is called a scroll bar. Drag it down until you see the Google Meet icon, which looks like a multicolor camera. Your apps may appear in a different order than the ones in this video. Click on the Google Meet icon. Click New Meeting, then Start an Instant Meeting. You may see a prompt asking you to allow Meet to use your camera and microphone. Click Allow. You'll see yourself appear in a rectangle in the middle of your screen. This is your chance to make sure your camera is working. A white pop-up will open, prompting you to invite other people to join your meeting. In order to join your meeting, people you invite must have a Google account. There are 2 ways to invite people to join your meeting. The first way is by sending a link, which they can click on to join the meeting. To do this, click the copy icon on the right side of the pop-up. It looks like 2 pages stacked on top of each other. Then, send them the link by email or in Google Chat, or any other way you'd like to share it. You can paste the new link into an email, chat, or anywhere you'd like. Read the lesson guide for more information on how to paste a link. The second way to invite people to a meeting is to click Add Others. Type the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite where it says Enter Name or Email. If you don't have anyone to invite to this meeting, type your own email address. When you type in the email, the name of the person you're inviting will appear. If it's someone you communicate with frequently, their name may appear before you finish typing their email address. Click Add Recipient to invite them to your meeting. Then, click Send Email. The people you invite this way will receive an email with a link that will add them to your meeting. When they click on the link, you will see them appear in your meeting. Keep your meeting open for the next video, which will show you how to manage the meeting settings. Now it's your turn. Open Meet, click New Meeting, select Start an Instant Meeting, and invite other people to join by sending them a link or adding them to the meeting. Then click Next to watch your next video.